If you are about to lose all your teeth and you're coming into the dentist for a consultation, you come into my office, we'll sit down with you and we'll have a very good discussion of some of the options that are out there for you to replace the missing teeth. I want you to understand those options as a patient. I want you to know what teeth in a day are. I want you to know what a more graduated process that maybe costs a little less that's available. We could talk about those options. We can talk about implants that are secured as real teeth that are flossed and brushed. I mean, you need to cover all of those things. Once we've covered all those things and you've made a decision, then the process is, I hate to say it's simple because it's not, but it's us doing our job, getting all the data we need, making sure we've got all the right measurements and all of the right information about how your teeth are going to be created. And we work with a lab technician who is a very talented lab technician to get that all set up and ready. And your teeth are ready to go to be put in your mouth the day that they come out, the old ones come out. So you walk out the door with a smile, whether it's teeth in a day concept of screw retained or whether it's an overdenture that's a transitional denture. Once those are in place, if it's a transitional denture, you'll heal for a month or two, place the implants, and go into our more snap-on traditional denture or our screw-retained hybrid or our cementable teeth. If it's teeth in a day, of course, you're walking out with the screw-retained teeth right away, eating softer foods for a little while. So that process completed, we make sure that we follow your bite, make sure that everything is aesthetically pleasing to you, make sure that the bite's in harmony, where you got joints that are healing perfectly, that you're functioning well, and then it's just maintenance. We need to make sure that we see our patients at least twice a year. I like to see about 3 times a year to make sure everything's holding up the way it should.